everyone, and in this video we are going to be making a Memorial Day, Labor Day, and 4th of July truffle. And what we will need is yogurt of any type, and you can use any amount that you want, and then some diced strawberries and some diced blueberries, and some 100% whole grain raw oats. And let's like this recipe. You could use any type of red fruit that you want, any type of white fruit that you want. I know I'm using banana. Bananas are technically yellow because the skin of bananas are yellow. And you can use any type of blue fruit that you want, like blueberries or something. And then we will take some of the diced fruit, place it in here. And then we will take some of the oats and place them in here too. And with the oats, you can basically add any amount that you want to add. And then we're going to mix that up. Once it's all mixed up, it should look something like this. And I know I never added any blue fruit to it, but it'll still taste just as good. Now, let's see how this tastes. If I can even get a strawberry on there. It's actually really good. You guys should try.